Hi, I'm Terry Slattery. I am Principal Architect at NetCraftsmen, and please join me at Enterprise Connect Virtual Conference and Expo this year for a step-by-step guide to automating your network. Network engineers have been taught how to manually configure network devices one device at a time. However, networks have grown in scale and complexity such that this method of operation is no longer very applicable. The transition from manual configuration to operation by automation is quite a journey, and we're going to describe this journey and its steps. The network automation is important because server and application development and operations, commonly known as DevOps, have streamlined much of IT. The network automation must catch up and match what's going on the IT side. It's important to simplify the detailed configurations of QoS and network security, which otherwise require too many manual operations. And it's also, most importantly, required for businesses to remain agile and competitive. And this session will allow you to identify the steps in the journey, be prepared for the transition, and understand the costs. Also learn how other organizations have adopted automation. Join me Wednesday, August 5th at 3:30 to 4:15 p.m. for the session on Step-by-Step Guide for Automating Your Network. Thank you.